Good morning, Royals. So it is about 8 o'clock a.m. The sun is just peeking over the clouds. So we got to get to it quickly before it gets too hot. In today's video, we are going to do a small, tiny, mini cut flower garden. That's what I'm calling it. I'm calling it a cut flower garden because I want to be harvesting from this small area. So yeah, we're gonna do our little cut flower garden. I don't have much space. Sorry, my AC turned on, so I had to turn that off. But yeah, if you don't know, I have a small garden. Let me walk you over here. If you're new here, I am Princess Netra. Welcome to Tonitra's garden. You are standing within my garden. So if you can see here, this is the space that I'm working with, and I've already dug up this space and amended the soil, but that was back in the spring. So I'm gonna have to do a little bit of cleaning up here, getting some of these rocks gone, and putting some potting mix down for the seedlings so that they get off to a good start. Yeah, and I can throw some fertilizer down and everything like that so that they can, you know, get strong and then go into the actual native soil. So I'm excited about this. I've been looking for a video like this online, but I couldn't find one that was small enough. I saw zinnias grown in pots and things, but not in just like a tiny patch in ground. So this is an experiment. We're gonna see how this goes. But let me show you guys my other zinnias. They're so pretty. All right. Look at her. Look at the spider on here. I was wondering why there was a butterfly and it just wouldn't land. And it's because there's a spider right there. She's like, oh, hell no. Look at this beauty. Isn't that a pretty color? Another spider. Okay, somebody in the comments told me that spiders love zinnias. And now I'm a true believer because every zinnia has had a spider on it. Okay, so that's what's on the agenda for today. The garden is a little slow right now because it is peak summer, not peak summertime, but you know, we're in the summer and it's very hot in Texas. I am in Texas, San Antonio, zone 8B, and right now we're in some type of, it's a Spanish name, something's going on, I forgot the name for it. It's like a La Luna, something where the weather is acting crazy and we're not getting normal heat, we're getting extra heat. So things have been just very dry, so just bear with the garden this season until we can get to the fall. Okay, so let's go ahead and get into it. what I did was I pulled most of the weeds out of this little area. I pulled most of the big rocks out so that the plants don't have a hard time getting down into the soil. So what we're gonna do next is we're gonna fertilize and we're gonna add some potting mix on top. Okay, let's do that. I need to get some more. Let's see what we've got. Okay, this is just an all-purpose fertilizer. So we'll sprinkle this down real quick. Alley Cat is living her best life, let me tell you. Who she thinks she is? Cats really love the garden, that's what I'm learning. Where you going, girl? You smell fertilizer. Okay, let's do this. I should have invested in like some type of kneeling mat by now, or like a bench or something. But you know, time gets the best of you. I don't have a lot of time these days, but if you guys know of a good brand of like a nice comfy kneeling mat or a good bench, let me know down in the comments below, because I really do need one. I only have a month left, but you know, you need one even when you're not pregnant. My little helper out here. Say hey to the royals.
Hi.
Okay, let's mix it up. You gonna mix it for me? So I might have went a little overboard on the fertilizing, but this area looks a little dry and I want them to get the best start. So I added a little bit extra, but if you don't have all these things, that's fine. Just, you know, throw some fertilizer down, see what happens. Good job. Wonderful.
They're growing, Mommy.
Yeah, they're gonna grow really good when you mix it up like that. Alright, so here I just have some extra potting mix that I took out of one of my pots. It still seems to look pretty good. So we're going to go ahead and lay this down.
You gonna pour that in there?
Yep, we're going to pour it on top.
And then we're gonna mix it?
No, we're not going to mix it. We're just going to pour it on top to give it a nice layer of growing medium.
I hear the airplane. That means that's Grandpa and my daddy. They're on the plane. I want my daddy to be here.
Oh. And this will settle. And after this, after I plant everything, I'll probably put some mulch on top just to keep the moisture in. So we're basically making a little garden bed, just a tiny garden bed. So this would be perfect if you have a small space like mine and you just want to grow some cut flowers so you can take them in the house or whatever. Just pick a tiny space.
Mommy.
This can't be no more than about 4 feet.
Mommy, I plugged my car.
Oh, good job. This can't be no more than 4 feet, and we're gonna see how many flowers we can get out of this. All right, so we've got our little flower patch amended. We've got our soil down. Now it's time to plant. Let me show you guys what zinnias I have. So we've got these ones. This is the giant double mixed colors. Those are really pretty. I grew these last year. They were so pretty. We have the fruit smoothie mixed colors.
They're pretty, Mommy.
I hear it.
Look.
Wow, it is.
They're on the airplane.
Yes. And then we have the purple prince. So I think this is like a giant zinnia. It's really pretty too. I think this one might be the purple prince, the pink one that I showed you guys, but we'll see. I'm excited for these. And I'm not spacing these in any particular way. I'm just, you know, doing what I can.
He's driving.
2 seeds per hole usually does the trick. And I'm gonna mix these two.
Mommy, this is dirty wood.
I see.
Can we wash it off?
In a second, okay? Give me 1 second.
I'm gonna put water in that thing, and then it's gonna make it cream.
Okay.
I'm gonna do that. There's another
Right.
car right here. Mommy, I found another car. Look, Mommy.
Wonderful.
I found it past the rock. But we have to wash this car. 2 cars, okay? So.
And just a few extra for good measure. We'll use all of them.
The color changing. Mommy, my car is color changing.
So here I've got some mulch, and I'm just going to put a thin layer of mulch just to keep the soil nice and moist. All right, Royal, so that is it for my little cut flower patch. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. We will see the progress within like a month or so, and I will keep you guys updated on it. If you like this type of video, make sure to give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in my next video. Bye, Royals.